Panoorin nyo. Ako na-touch ako dito. Talagang kitang-kita kung sino si
po ay ipinagdiriwang po ang kaarawan ng aking anak-anakan na si Baltec. Ayan, ako'y nagpapasalamat at nagkaroon ng pagkakataon para batiin ka, Baltec, ng isang maligayang kaarawan at sana dumami pa ng dumami ang iyong kaarawan. Wish ko lang sa iyo ay good health and happiness, syempre. At sana ay makapag-live ka na. Joke lang. Ako'y natutuwa kay Baltec po kasi napakabait na bata at nung makilala ko siya ay napaka-humble po, hindi po mayabang na tao. Ang nakita ko kay Baltec, siya po ay isang mabuting anak. Basta mabait po si Baltec. Sana nakikita ko po sa kanya kasi nakasama ko na rin po siya kahit sandaling panahon. Salamat at ikaw ay aking nakilala. At sana ipagpatuloy mo lang ang iyong kabaitan, anak. Ayan, marami nagmamahal sa iyo. Isa na ako doon. Ayan, maraming salamat. God bless you, anak. I love you. Enjoy and relax ka ngayong araw na ito dahil ito ay kaarawan mo. God bless you. Bye-bye. Thank you po. Mwah. Happy birthday ulit, anak. Bye.
Happy birthday, Baltec! Uy, kumusta ka na? Wishing you a happy birthday. It was such a pleasure na nagpunta ka dito noon sa Vienna at nakilala kita in person and we really had a great time. So hopefully magkita-kita tayo ulit and wishing you all the best. All the blessings in life. Yun lang. Just a short greetings. Bye-bye!
Oh, and shout out to my friend Baltec. Hello and shout out to you. Today is your special day. I wish you all the best. Good luck, happiness in your life and your birthday. Alright, so you miss this place. You know this place. You know this place. I'm here at the city of Vienna. So we met here in Vienna. So dito ka galing sa cathedral na to. And dito ka nag-coffee. There's a coffee there. Okay, so enjoy your birthday and your life. So I hope to see you again. Maybe in LA or maybe again here in Europe. So again, thank you so much and ano ba sasabihin ko sa iyo? Yun lang. Yahoo! God bless you always and happy birthday. Okay? Bye. The Vienna boy here. Yamadi here. Again, here is the place. The Cathedral. Vienna. Bye. Vienna boy here. Woo! Baltec. The always here, Vienna boy.
Go. Hi! This is Kuya Daddy Deeds at gusto ko lang batiin si Baltec ng happy birthday. You see, I don't want to speak English here. There's a lot of people. Okay, Baltec, happy birthday. See you around. Mwah.
So, nandito kami sa Firenze, dito kay Santo Lorena. Pa-coffee break after ng lunch, lakwat siya. So, andito kami para, of course, bumati sa'yo, Baltec. Ayan. Kasama ko, of course, hello, Kuya Baltec, happy birthday! Si Josie Texon, kasama ko dito sa Italy, of course. Ang binabati ka namin, Baltec, ng happy birthday. Ayan, nawa ay ano pa ba? Humaba ang buhay.
Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
So, ayan, Baltec, enjoy your special day. Of course, wish namin sa'yo is good health always and maging successful ka sa lahat ng yung gusto mong gawin sa buhay. That only, hindi lang ikaw, pati na rin sa pamilya mo. Okay, happy birthday once again. From Italy.
From Firenze with love. Bye, Kuya Baltec. Thank you.
Bye!
Cheers!
Good morning, guten morgen. Magandang umaga. Meron lang akong babatiin dito. Sino nga gayon? Galing na siya dito sa Germany, but hindi pa niya napuntahan dito ang Zugspitze. That is just top of Germany. And we are here in the cable station. So, ganito lang guys. Mag-wish lang ako ng happy 50th birthday kay Baltic. Baltic, bumalik ka na dito. I wish you all the best. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your new life. Welcome to 50. Charot. This is Sinsa's Life in Alps Bavaria. Ang inyong lingkod. The Angel Mayora. And sis Jenny, regards na lang. Alagaan mo si Bra. Si Brad, si Kuya. Baltec. O, diba? Baltec, enjoy your birthday. Sana makarating kami dyan. Or kaya, babalik kayo dito. Kaya, wish you all the best. God bless you all and enjoy. Bye-bye. Happy birthday again. Happy 50th birthday again. And good luck to your birthday celebration. Mega love shout out dyan sa lahat ng mga YouTubers, friends dito sa worldwide. Bye!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Baltic, it's your 50th birthday. I wish you all the best. Enjoy your day because it's your special day. Happy birthday and more years to come from the Angel Mayora, Sinsa's Life in Alps Bavaria. And syempre galing kay Prince at sa aking anak na si Lucas. Enjoy your special day. We love you. Have fun. Bawal ang maglasing sa birthday. Charot. Bye-bye. Have a nice day and enjoy. God bless you always. Bye. Regards to Jenny. Mwah, mwah. Enjoy with your family and friends. Go, go, go. Sending our greetings from Bavaria, Germany. Yahoo! Garmisch Partenkirchen. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. I just want to greet Baltic a very happy birthday this September. So, si Baltic, alam ng lahat ay napakabait na bata. Very supportive. Tapos, sweet. At malapit siya sa akin. Sana marating pa ang maraming kaarawan. Ma-reach mo ang mga goals mo pa sa buhay. Tapos, magkaroon siya ng stable na family in the near future. At maging matagumpay ka sa lahat ng pagkakataon. So I wish you all the best in this world. So happy birthday, Baltic. I miss you. I love you. Mwah.
Platforms. So I'm just here to greet my brother, my kabatak, my katropa, my kablu, walang ibayan kundi si Baltic. Happy birthday sa iyo, bro. Nandito ako para sa iyo anytime na kailanganin mo ko. At ngayon birthday mo, syempre hindi ako pwedeng absent. Hindi pwedeng wala akong video greeting sa iyo. So happy birthday. At syempre ang wish ko sa iyo, good health, perfect health para lahat ng plano natin, lahat ng objectives natin in life magagawa natin pag may maganda tayong pulusunan. So enjoy the rest of your special day. Magpalakas ka palagi, dapat lagi tayong strong para pagdating ng gabi ay meron tayong lakas at stamina sa mga plano natin every time dumarating ang gabi at malamig na panahon. So happy birthday, Brother Baltic. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Anytime na kailanganin mo ako, I'm just here for you. Happy birthday at sa lahat po yung nakikinig dito sa mga oras na ito. Hello po sa inyong lahat and God bless everyone.
Bye guys! Baltic bro, happy birthday! Go, go, go! This is Chess Mo TV signing off for now. Bye!
Ayos.
Okay na yun.
Ayos.